Hello everyone, welcome to our webinar hosted by Pro Canna, presented by me, Faye Fruitwala. So, who is Pro Canna? Founded in 2013, Pro Canna Laboratories has been on the forefront of cannabinoid research and development, providing controlled dosage applications of its medicinal products. We're continually studying, the different ratios with the different cannabinoid formulations as well to further advance medical initiatives. Hemp and CBD have shown to contain many medicinal properties and is the fastest expansion segment in the natural products industry, as we all know. Um, of the 80 plus known cannabinoids, CBD is the most prominent. It's non psychoactive and shown to have a great medical efficacy as well. We have tons of research and studies, which we'll go over in a few minutes, and then also linked on our website as well. Procana is available in over 600 stores nationwide, ranging from health food stores to mom and pop stores, vitamin sports supplement stores to independent pharmacies. What is cannabidiol, CBD? CBD is a non psychoactive molecule that can be derived from either cannabis or agricultural hemp, and it plays a vital role in holistic treatment. Extensive preclinical research and some clinical studies have shown that CBD has strong antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anticonvulsant, antidepressant, antipsychotic, antitumoral, and neuroprotective qualities. Before we dive deep into the science behind CBD, let's cover some ground with the foundation. The endocannabinoid system, or the ECS, which has been recently recognized as an important modulatory system in the function of brain, endocrine, and immune tissues. The endocannabinoid system regulates numerous physiological processes, including intestinal function, glucose metabolism, energy homeostasis, and lipid synthesis. Endocannabinoids go in reverse direction, traveling from postsynaptic neuron to presynaptic neuron. This process is known as the retrograde feedback and enables control of neural transmission. Within the ECS is a series of cell receptors that naturally respond to the cannabinoids by CB1 and CB2 receptors. CB1 receptors are located mainly in the brain and the central nervous system, and mainly responsible for reducing inflammation, regulating movement and posture control, as well as sensory perception, memory, and cognitive function, while the CB2 receptors are mostly found in the peripheral organs, especially cells associated with the immune system. And they're found throughout the gastrointestinal system where they modulate intestinal inflammatory response. They're also involved in mediating analgesic effects of peripheral nervous system. Now that we have a brief overview of the basics, let's dive in a little bit deeper. The clinical endocannabinoid deficiency. The ECS theory of disease is termed clinical endocannabinoid deficiency. When the body does not produce enough endocannabinoids or cannot regulate them properly, one is more susceptible to illnesses that affect one or several of the functions mentioned above. CECD could underlie the pathophysiology of migraine, fibromyalgia, irritable bowel syndrome, and other functional conditions alleviated by CBD. Cannabinoids have similarly demonstrated the ability to block spinal, peripheral, and gastrointestinal mechanisms that promote pain in headache, fibromyalgia, IBS, and related disorders. There's a link on there. You're welcome to click on it after the webinar to read up on the study more in detail. Cannabinoid receptors are co-localized with dopamine receptors, suggesting that cannabinoids affect the release of dopamine. Perhaps this is why we have had such great positive feedback in our surveys in regards to anxiety and depression. Moving along, let's cover the science behind cannabidiol, how CBD works with the endocannabinoid system. CBD works like a switch to turn on the regulatory endocannabinoid system as it helps the ECS maintain equilibrium. It prevents the breakdown of endocannabinoids, which is critical for neuromodulation and homeostasis, thereby making it more available to the body. Unlike THC, cannabidiol does not attach directly to any of the receptors, but instead indirectly activates endocannabinoid signaling by suppressing the enzyme fatty acid amide hydroxylase, FAAH. CBD also stimulates the release of other endocannabinoids that activate both the CB1 and CB2 receptors. So, in a nutshell, when we take CBD, we are supplementing a naturally occurring cannabinoid system. So, how does CBD interact with receptors? It has an indirect effect on the CB1 receptor by stopping the enzymatic breakdown of anandamide, allowing it to stay in the system longer and providing medical benefits. CBD helps to mediate the release of cytokine from the immune cells in a manner that helps to reduce inflammation and pain. CBD includes stimulation of vanilloid pain receptors, TRPV1 receptor, which are known to mediate pain perception, inflammation, and body temperature as well. CBD may exert its anti-anxiety effect by activating adenosine receptors, which play a significant role in cardiovascular function and cause broad anti-inflammatory effect throughout the body. At high concentrations, CBD directly activates the 5-HT1A serotonin receptor, thereby conferring an antidepressant effect. It's also been found to be an antagonist in the new third cannabinoid receptor, GPR55, which, if stimulated, may contribute to osteoporosis. CBD use has also been researched to be beneficial for kidney fibrosis, inflammation, metabolic syndrome, overweight, obesity, anorexia, modification of osteoarthritic, and other musculoskeletal conditions. Our source and process. We source our raw materials from Europe, use regular CO2 extraction, and have our own manufacturing facility which is GMP certified. Our products go through rigorous third-party lab testing as well, and we have a chromatograph available. If anybody's interested, I can email that to you. And we have a certification of analysis as well. We do not use any pesticides. All our products are insured. Let's clarify some legalities concerning hemp and CBD. Hemp plant extract is derived from agricultural hemp, and according to the Farm Bill of 2014, if it contains less than 0.3% THC by dry weight, it is excluded from the Controlled Substance Act. Our CBD is 100% hemp derived, therefore, it is a non scheduled molecule and doesn't fall under the Controlled Substance Act, according to the FDA. As mentioned earlier, we have our independent lab certifications for all our products, which include a certification of analysis and a chromatograph. Procana offers the widest range of controlled dosing of CBD and hemp supplements in the form of soft gels and tinctures. We have our CBD Balance, 8 milligrams per soft gel, that's our daily maintenance dose. CBD Balance Tincture, 240 milligrams. CBD Complete, 20 milligrams per soft gel, our extra strength dose, and CBD Complete Tincture, 600 milligrams. Hemp Spectrum, 50 milligrams per soft gel of whole plant extract. Hemp Spectrum Tincture, 1500 milligrams of whole plant extract. Hemp Balance, 500 milligrams of cold pressed hemp seed oil, high in essential fatty acids, great alternative to fish oil. We have our Procana vet formula, which has 240 milligrams of pure CBD isolate along with organic peanut butter flavor. Our CBD Balance 8 milligrams is our daily maintenance dose. It contains 8 milligrams of pure isolated cannabidiol per soft gel. It comes in a 30-count bottle as well as a 2-count blister pack. CBD Balance Tincture contains 240 milligrams of pure CBD isolate, and it is infused with extra virgin olive oil. Our CBD Complete 20 milligrams is our extra strength dose. It contains 20 milligrams of isolate cannabidiol per soft gel. It comes in a 30-count bottle as well as 2-pack blister. Our CBD Complete Tincture consists of 600 milligrams of CBD isolate. Each serving has 20 milligrams of CBD isolate. Hemp Spectrum contains 50 milligrams of whole plant extract per soft gel. It is rich in phytocannabinoids such as CBD, CBG, which is cannabigerol, and terpenes, and it is infused with hemp seed oil. It comes in the 30-count bottle as well as a 2-pack blister. The Hemp Spectrum Tincture consists of 1500 milligrams of whole plant extract and comes to 50 milligrams per serving. Hemp Balance contains 500 milligrams of cold pressed hemp seed oil per soft gel. It provides High concentrations of essential fatty acids such as omegas 3, 6, and 9. It is a great alternative to fish oil. It comes in a 60 count bottle as well as a 2-pack blister. Our latest product is our Vet Formula Tincture. It consists of 240 milligrams of pure CBD isolate infused with extra virgin olive oil and organic peanut butter flavor. Each serving has 8 milligrams of CBD. This is suitable for both humans and animals. Why soft gels? The dosing is controlled. They're highly absorbable, there's no aftertaste, and the half-life is extended. And grapeseed oil is great for digestion, as well as the bioavailability is pretty good. Why Procana? We're a medically focused company and offer the widest range of controlled dosing. Highly absorbable, no aftertaste, third-party lab tested, non-GMO, 100% hemp-derived, no THC, product insured, GMP manufacturer, direct distribution, affordable, and they're great for travel. And of course, Procana cares. We love to hear and appreciate our consumers' feedback and experience from taking Procana and encourage everyone to fill out a survey on our website. We have a few surveys from some naturopathic doctors and from some general users as well. We have a doctor in Texas who uses the CBD Balance 8 milligrams for some of her patients who have digestive and anxiety issues. And a doctor in Virginia gave his wife some CBD Complete for anxiety and reported she felt amazing and felt tension disappear and stress relieved. A doctor in Oregon has had a patient with rheumatoid arthritis, for over 5 years and had never experienced such amazing relief after taking just one CBD Complete 20 milligram soft gel. In our general user surveys, we have a user in South Carolina who said his mother, who has stage 4 cancer, has been using the CBD Complete 20 milligrams for about a month and a half and has found a great relief. And then he started using our 8 milligrams for anxiety and noticed it really helped him. So now he wants to start offering it as an online vitamin store. And I also received feedback recently from a consumer who had been in pain management for over 15 years. They said they started taking the CBD Complete for about less than a month and were able to reduce their pain medication by about 70%. I personally use the CBD Complete 20 milligrams, when I have the occasional cramps, anxiety, PTSD, not only experience great relief, but fully functional as well and focused. Now let's cover some studies and research behind CBD. GW Pharmaceuticals in Washington conducted a study and found CBD to be highly effective in the treatment of pain and inflammation. The Department of Neuroscience did a study and found CBD reduced anxiety in patients with social anxiety disorder and PTSD as well as OCD. The University of Sao Paulo and the National Institute for Transitional Medicine found that CBD may be better than antidepressants because it acts quickly and does not cause side effects or withdrawal symptoms. Now, cancer. We have multiple studies regarding cancer on our website, which I highly suggest you check out. One study by the California Pacific Medical Center suggested that CBD turns off the gene involved in the spread of breast cancer. They found that CBD inhibits ID-1, an action that prevents cancer cells from traveling long distances to distant tissues. Therefore, CBD stops the metastasis of the cancer cells. Some more studies relating to CBD. The Department of Psychology and Neuroscience in Canada found that CBD produces its own antiemetic and anti-nausea effect. This could be very helpful for, patients undergoing chemotherapy treatment. Then the Department of Physiological Chemistry in Johannes Gutenberg University, Germany, did a study relating to CBD and gastrointestinal health. In Italy, at the National Research Council, they found that CBD can be employed to retard beta cell damage in type 1 diabetes. There was another study related to diabetes done in Maryland where they found that CBD possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties in diabetic and diabetes complications. Now let's cover some research regarding seizures and neurological disorders. such as autism. The University of California and Davis found CBD effective in the treatment of autism. They found that CBD regulates emotion and focus, acting as a neuroprotective against further brain degradation. And then there's several studies regarding epilepsy and seizures. This particular one is from the University of Reading in UK, and they demonstrated the potential of CBD as a novel anti-epileptic drug in the treatment of generalized seizures. Then also here we have the Department of Neuroscience in Brazil again, where they found that patients treated with CBD, Parkinson's disease patients, expressed significantly different mean total scores in well-being and quality of life. And then there is a Journal of Neuroscience one regarding Alzheimer's as well. Thank you everyone for attending our webinar. You are welcome to download the digital version of this file. To access the study links as well as the FAQs via our website. Feel free to contact us with any other inquiries via email, admin@procanna.com, or by calling 1-844-PROCANNA. We are glad we can help and provide for you and your clients.